Okay, so look around my house. It is a big mess. So that's why I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna tidy up my house today. Okay, so you can say that this is a kind of cleaning a vlog, whatever you can say. And I don't know, but I will not going to uh, clean everything's in detail. So I just kind of general cleaning. Okay, so first of all, I have to take out this table and then clean here, and then I'm gonna sweep the floor and then mop the floor here. So put some these books in order, and then so I'm not gonna do any kind of things here. Sweep the floor, and then here is mop the floor. At the same time here, this is my bed. It is very mess here. I got a mess. I just got up from there. So I read book, I study books, I study my English just right there. Because if I study here outside, so then there's a lots of mosquito. Okay, I cannot stand them. Even though I use the mosquito repellent here, still I cannot, they, how to say, I cannot drag them away. So that's why I just stay in bed when I am free, when I study my lesson. So then I, so that is how I stay away from the mosquito. Okay, so here is my luggage. You can see that. So there I have to fold my clothes. Actually, don't get me wrong, these all clothes are already washed. uh, they are clean, so I just washed them yesterday, and then how to say, I just got them from the outside, and then just put them there. Okay, it's fine. This is the cupboard, right? So there's nothing here actually. So I will tell you about this house later in the later videos. Okay, so first of all, I have to clean here. So then let me put here. Okay, right. Okay, first of all, here zips up, and then I don't know how to say that. Flip over, or maybe I put it on there, and then I'm gonna put this table down here. Okay, and my notebooks, my writing book. Oh my god! So this is grammar book. I'm learning this grammar. I don't know. Even though I'm learning that grammar, I could not use them a lot in my daily life. Okay, whatever. So here is the dictionary, Myanmar to English dictionary. Okay, sometime I have some word that I cannot say, that I cannot think, that I got not ideas, that I got no ideas when I speak in English. So that's so at the time, so I have to look them up here. And then so here are so many books. I don't know what are they. Okay, but anyway, so now let me put them. Let me arrange them here. So this my notebook. So here, this is the book that I'm reading now. So this is the book I like best. So these are the translation book. So time for me, I haven't finished it yet still. So this is a kind of practical books. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put them on the table. So here is my power bank. You know, so here in our place, in our area, we have kind of power outage. It's happened a lot, so that's why I just bought it one. Okay, so I need to charge it, I think. So let me check how many. Oh, it's still 74%. So but I need to, so come on, let's go and then check it, charge it. Right. It here. So here is the charger. Okay. let's go back. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put them here. This in the box. I think that I should throw this away, right? But anyway, I don't usually I really like, you know, collecting things, so that's why I don't usually throw kind of things away, rubbish. Maybe, you know, sometimes you can still use it. Maybe it is a bit useful, it can be useful in some way. Okay, whatever. So here is the, how to say this, light, kind of flashlight, I don't know, not flashlight, I don't know how to say this, but so I use this sometimes when the light went out. Okay, so here, okay, actually, you know, the battery here, it doesn't last long. So when, even though when I charge it full, so then I can just use about 20 minutes, I think, at most 20 minutes. So that's why I don't like this. So here is one more book and some books and a Bible. So I'm reading Bible every day, but it's been 2 days that I did not read it. So then today I have to read it again. So here are some more books. Oh my god. This is my, how to say that in English, I don't know, so I have to look at it. So I have to find it in my Myanmar English dictionary. In Tangsu, I have to find the in, so then it will be a, so then will be the last here in the last. Okay, let me find it. In, so where is that? In a. Oh wait, what the hell is that? In. Oh, egg. So here is egg. In G in hang. In the in town su. In town 大文部 in town 家 here is in town 会 in town su in town su household. How to say this? In town su 如也是 in town su. In town su, is that all household? In town in town su in. How to say that in? In town usi in. Oh. I don't find it. I have to, so there is no English, no in English, how do you say that? Immigration, no. In Tangsu Lawaka, how to say that in English? Okay, I have to look it up after after this. Okay, so let me done this first. Okay, actually, you know, these I have already fold this, you know, kind of my shirt here. So here is my pen. Yesterday I was so tired, so that's why I just don't want to go out there, and then I just took off them here, and then, you know, I put them here. So this one is okay, right.